Hi, welcome back Next Tech Spark.
Welcome to Next Tech Spark. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy and effective way to create a stunning golden text effect. Whether you're a beginner or already familiar with design tools, this method will help you achieve a professional-looking golden shine in just a few simple steps. So stay with me till the end, and let's bring your text to life with a premium golden touch.